Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. Planting is well behind the normal pace right now. So, even though we started a bit lower, we were able to rebound a little bit. So we were up almost 13 cents at one point. The weather is wet in the east, dry in the west, a little bit wet in the northern area. I think there is a lot to keep this market moving up right now. It's expected that in the weather forecast that July through September should be actually warm and dry. Now that's the early forecast. The option open interest added 1,000 on the calls and 1,000 on the puts in July, so that's kind of just keeping the pace rolling. We've got the CVOL at 22.5%. The soybean oil is 35.5, so that's up a little bit, and the meal is 25.4. So all looking very strong. Corn was steady today. Ethanol sales the growth is actually uncertain. That had the market kind of on both sides of unchanged today. The corn planting is at 14% and well behind that 33% average. So just a reminder that the CME did raise the price limits to 50 cents starting last Monday. So they're going to be in play until further notice. The option open interest in the July was, July calls actually reduced by 2,700 contracts, but in the puts it added 5,300. So it looks like that there is just some, risk off, and people are just using the options to kind of manage their risk. I think the biggest number is in September. There was on the $10 calls, there was 8,900 calls added to that strike, and it's up over 15,000. I thought that is really could possibly be a tell for the market of where they expect it to be going at the end of summer. With CVOL is at 33%, so it's still looking pretty firm. Now today the wheat was surging. India is expected to reduce the exports. Canadian wheat stocks. By July, the USDA says that they're expected to be at a record low. So a lot of things really bullish for wheat that kind of helped it to recover somewhat. I think today we're up almost 44 cents at one point. The dry weather also in the southern plains with floods in the north. All these things are kind of adding to the market. Now the option open interest increased about 750 calls. That's relatively modest, but for wheat, I think that might be just a little indicator that they're still participating in the July options. The futures did move to the high part of the channel now, and the CVOL is at 42.2%. So it's back up over 40. I think the market today was a big jump. The May USDA report is next week, Thursday on the 12th, and that's what we're going to be looking for the next number of sessions.